Ha 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 ha! I am the great king of mibus. Mibus, he is no. Wait a second. What was it? Done. No. BRB. Mibus, he's the king of power. Mibus, he's the king of fire. Mibus, he's the king of ice. Mibus, he's Lord of Foes, #1 minion. He's stronger, and you would think Buffalo would revive Cack yet larger, but no, he will help Mibus. Buffalo's the king of the Mushroom Kingdom. Wow, Mibus comes to save the day. But we all know Mibus is so evil. We all know he survived. Something happened probably 5,008,822,000,000 years ago. We all know he's a blues. We all know he saves. We all know he saves with our fall. But one day we finally got to Peach's castle, and no one gave a care. There were sleeping black demons, evil clocks, and something else. But Blizzard Mibus, aka Ricky and the best, hit all up to Bowser. Then Bowser tried to kill him, but now Bowser is gone. We know his heart. Bowser shot Mibus and his eyes. Now Mibus is Blizzard Mibus. Whoa-ho! I am stronger. Whoa-ho! I cannot die. No, Mibus is invincible. I'm so happy. And we all know Mibus is evil little piggy. How will he die? No one really knows. Yes, punch. Go in the air. Fall down and punch. Little snow demons. And a weird word. No one really cares. No one cares if he dies. It will take you 53. He tries. I am the king of power. I will not die. I am a piggy. Keep trying. He will die because you're Bowser with your fire breath. Sucked up his snow demons and let Mario and Luigi do the rest. Blizzard Mibus is all power. He will kick your butt. No one can defeat him unless they got their gut. I'm the king of power, which I already knew. I cannot die because I have my hair and I have this crown too. I have my teeth, my snout, and my hands. I am so above. I can destroy you with the flick of my bust. We all know he's powerful. We all know his sons. We all know his moves. But what about his abilities? I can summon a big ball of snow with the bubble bomb under it and in the air. If you try to get a hit, and then you will explode. But this is an easy move to dodge, but my others are hard. His snow demons can heal him. He's got all the stuff. He knows what it means and he's so hard, even though the last time you see him. Well, that's pretty much it, the song, but no one really cares, because he's retarded. Retardedly hard. He's not really retarded, but oh, I'm so hard. No one cares. His master's powerful. I have clothes. No one wants to live. No No one cares. No one cares. Shut up, mibus! I have theory. No one cares if you die on me. Well, now go by the game and try to kill me. You'll die on me 50